spent all my change, and the dark smoked all my Cuban cigars, and the toilet's still engaged. Now the elephant swallowed my mother. I tied his trunk in a double reef knot, and the springbok jumped back to South Africa, and the Zulu caught him and stopped. Now the goldfish took out a mortgage to get his new castle in the sand. He couldn't make the repayments, sold my car, my house, and my traveling van. The giraffe took down my chimney, filled the street full of smoke and smog. So the fireman filled that giraffe till